now that you have all your supplies, a washcloth or towel, cotton balls or gauze squares, and then some ear flush or cleaner, get your dog. Come in. Sit. Depending on your pet and how used to ear cleaning they are, they may not sit quite as still for this. So you'll kind of use your dog's ear as a funnel, put some of the cleaning solution in, massage the base of the ear really well to break up some of that debris that's in there. We'll wipe out any of that debris and excess cleaner, and then let them shake their head. Shake. Or not. Come here. Come back. We gotta do another one. Come on. Sit. Sit. Oh boy. In Mastiff's 13 years, he's had quite a few ear cleanings. So even though it's not his favorite thing, he tends to cooperate pretty well. Good boy.